So Danny with ParTay, just wanted to give you one more look at the SIRIUS Black. This is a free mix that I offered out on YouTube probably about a week and a half or so ago, something like that. So for any of you folks who are looking for a do-it-yourself home black screen, this works really well. And I say really well because, you know, considering the amount of ambient light in this room, if you look here, got all these windows open, the screen's actually getting hit from light that comes in here, reflects off of the house, and still holds up pretty well, you know, given the amount of ambient light coming in. Now that window right there, most of that light's, you know, the direct light would be hitting the back of the screen, where most of the light that's hitting the screen is coming from here and from here. With the sun coming up, it's right up over in there somewhere. Or excuse me, right up there now. So still a lot of light coming in through these windows, reflecting off sills, all that kind of stuff. And still, you get this image. And that's with an ultra short throw, guys. Ultra short throws, you know, people think, well, yeah, you got the light setting right up next to it. Yeah, but the angle of reflectivity, you know, if you know your projectors, you know that the angle of reflectivity is different on your ultra short throws, so you don't get the optimal, you just get exactly what hits on the screen. You don't get the prime reflectivity back into your eyes because all of that's cast up towards the ceiling. So with a long throw or a short throw projector, this would be even more lit up. I know that a few of you folks out there have asked me for the formula, and you've received it. If you've you know, implemented it in your home, it'd be nice if you could maybe post a video. Not looking for credit or anything like that, but if you could just post a video of how the SIRIUS works in your environment, we'd appreciate it. And hope you guys enjoy it, and thanks for watching. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we ask that you do so. We would appreciate it very much. We're just here to try to help, and appreciate all that you guys do out there for the paint community. And once again, thank you.